Here's a great recipe for spicy apple-filled squash. Start with 1 acorn squash and 1 apple. Be sure and rinse in cool running water. Cut the acorn squash in half and scoop out the seeds. Spray your baking dish with vegetable oil spray. Place the 2 pieces of squash in the baking dish, skin side up. Cover the squash with foil and bake at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. While the squash bakes, peel and chop the apple into bite-sized pieces. Now it's time to gather the other ingredients. Gather together 2 teaspoons melted butter. You can also use a butter substitute or vegetable oil if you would like. Also gather 2 teaspoons brown sugar and a 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon. And optional but tasty, a dash of nutmeg and ground cloves. Add the melted butter to the chopped apples. Add in the spices and brown sugar. Mix well, coating the apples with the sugar and spices. Remove the squash from the oven and spoon the apple mixture into each half. Cover with foil again and return to the oven for another 30 minutes. Remove from the oven and cut each piece in half to make 4 servings. Serve as a warm and tasty side dish. Enjoy!